Your inspiration for today is from Michael Jordan, who said, "Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try." Your goal for day 3 of 100 was to decide if you want to start developing a video game by writing traditional software code, using visual scripting, or using simplified interfaces. For today's goal, we're using the Unity gaming engine to give you examples for the different development methods. The Unity gaming engine is software that helps people make video games without having to build everything from scratch. There are other gaming engines out there, but we use Unity, so for simplicity's sake, we'll stick to one gaming engine. Let's say you want your game character to jump. If you're using traditional software coding, you'd open a script editor and write lines of code that detect when the player presses the jump button, and then apply a force to the character to make it jump. The software programming language used in Unity is C#. Scripts refer to bits of software code that dictate how a program or game behaves. Scripts are generally written in Microsoft's Visual Studio, which comes with Unity as a default code editor. If you're using visual scripting for the same jumping action, instead of writing lines of code, you drag and drop visual blocks into a flowchart. The visual blocks represent different actions or events. One block might detect the button press, and the next block would cause the character to jump. You connect the blocks in a sequence that visually represents the action. Unity has tools like Bolt or Playmaker for visual scripting. If you're using simplified interfaces to achieve the same jumping action, you might find a pre-made character on Unity's asset store that already has a jump ability. You drag and drop this character into your game. While it's super easy, you have limited ability to customize the jump function unless you dig into the provided code or visual scripts that came with the character. Unity has thousands of pre-made characters and asset store tools that are available for developers to use. So to summarize, with traditional software code, you're building the game's behavior from scratch using text-based coding. With visual scripting, you're assembling game behavior using visual blocks and flowcharts. And with simplified interfaces, you're often using pre-made game components that you can drag, drop, and adjust with limited customization. So now that you have a better understanding of the different methods, your goal for today is to finalize your decision. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. Best of luck and happy gaming.